It takes just one broken cell on a Google Sheet for the entire project to slow down. But what if it doesn't have to be that way? What if you don't have to touch a cell at all? You just tell AI what you want and it handles it for you. Whether it's importing data and organizing sheets, or flagging inconsistencies in creating reports, AI in Google Sheets takes the busy, repetitive tasks off your hands. So in this video, we'll look at how to automate Google Sheets with AI so your data stays organized, accurate, and actually useful for making faster decisions. Let's start. At its core, automating Google Sheets with AI is about using natural language instead of manual formulas. If you're using Google Workspace with Gemini enabled, AI features are built directly into Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet and heading to the top menu. From there, click Insert, Function, Google, AI to access the AI features without writing any formulas yourself. Alternatively, you can also type an AI formula, input the prompt you would like it to run from a range of cells. 3. Hit Enter, then Insert Generate when prompted, and just like that, the AI does the heavy lifting for you. If you want to take things a step further by applying the same action to multiple cells, go to the top right corner of your table. Click Insert AI Column. In the first non-header cell, enter your AI prompt, then use autofill to apply it to the rest of the column. From there, you can ask AI to summarize data, categorize entries, analyze sentiment, or clean up messy columns, all inside a cell. You get less time wrestling with spreadsheets and more time actually analyzing what the data means. But while this sounds great, the reality is, it's not perfect yet. Automated sheets save time, but they still have limits. For starters, AI responses for reports are only text-based. If you want polished dashboards or visuals, you still need to build those manually. Also, AI only sees the cells you explicitly pointed to, meaning it won't magically read your entire sheet or pull context across other files, tools, or projects. Large spreadsheets can be tricky too. You may need to run AI prompts in smaller chunks, and there's a cap on how many prompts you can run. Most importantly, Google Sheets automation stops at insights. It doesn't decide what happens next, and that's where many teams hit a wall. Once your data is cleaned, summarized, and organized, what next? Who owns the next step? Which task needs to be created? That's exactly where a tool like ClickUp comes in, the world's first converged AI workspace. ClickUp takes what AI does well in Sheets and connects it directly to execution. With ClickUp Brain, an inbuilt AI assistant, your spreadsheet data doesn't just sit there, it becomes actionable. New rows in a Google Sheet can automatically turn into tasks in ClickUp, complete with assignees, due dates, and AI-generated subtasks. For example, when a marketing manager adds a new campaign idea to a shared sheet, ClickUp can instantly create a task for the design team, break it into subtasks, and assign deadlines. No copying, no follow-ups, no missed steps. And instead of building complex formulas for reports, you can simply ask ClickUp Brain questions like, "What's blocking progress this week?" and get a clear, human-readable answer. Want visual reports instead? ClickUp dashboards turn your questions and insights across spreadsheets into easy-to-read reports. To start putting all of this into action, you need to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets. Connecting the two is simple. Inside ClickUp, you open the App Center, connect to Google Drive, and choose whether the connection is personal or workspace-wide. Once connected, you can attach Google Sheets directly to tasks and preview them live inside ClickUp. From there, Sheets become part of your workflow, not a separate tab you forget about. Automating Google Sheets with AI is a smart move. It reduces repetitive work, cleans up data, and gives you faster insights. The real impact comes when those insights connect directly to the work your team is doing. How are you using AI in your spreadsheets today? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to bring your data and workflows into one connected system, start using ClickUp for free today.